you can see. So guys, welcome back to another video. And this there is a cargo plane incoming. This is an air show, so they're testing out. They're showing a cargo drop. Cargo drop. They will do it soon.
Pay close attention to the rear door of the aircraft as they now set up for the drop.
Rear door is open.
Cool.
That is the care package.
You can see the size of that pallet and how large that canopy is as they make their way down. It takes quite a bit of time for the loadmaster to rig this type of delivery system, and it's all out the door in just a couple of seconds.
Yeah.
Well, how about that for an on-time, on-target delivery by the C-130? Let's put our hands together for the 94th Airlift Wing. The Herc will now climb, reposition to the perch, and they'll be back later on in our pre-show program for another pass, and we'll be recovering them so they can pick up their equipment and head on back to Dobbins Air Reserve Base.
You can see.
I know, yeah. I know.